This will be the 9th in a series of electrical practice problems. In this video, we will continue to look at series parallel circuit problems. Once I am finished with this series of problems, I'll be posting them in my stand store at this web address. Problem number 9 requires us to calculate the current that is flowing in each resistor. The logic here will be to replace all the resistors with one equivalent resistor, then find the current through that resistor, which is the current for the total load. Subsequently, then, reversing the process, we calculate the current in each branch, which then allows us to calculate the current in each resistor. To begin, we find the parallel resistance of the resistors R4 and R5, which is 20.3 ohms. We replace that parallel combination with the equivalent single resistor. Now, we work out the resistance in each of the parallel branches. For the top branch, the resistance is equal to the sum of the resistors R2 and R3, which is equal to 100 ohms. For the bottom branch, it's equal to the sum of resistors R4 in parallel with R5 and R6, which is 95.3 ohms. We can now replace the circuit to look like this. We are now left with the equivalent circuit here. So all that is left is to work out the effective resistance of the parallel combination of R4 parallel to 5 plus 6 and R3 plus 2, which works out to 48.8 ohms. We can now redraw the equivalent circuit now to look like this, or more compactly, like this. So the total circuit resistance is RT, which is equal to 128.8 ohms. The equivalent circuit now will look like this. The total current supplied to the load is given by Ohm's law, voltage over resistance, which is 100 divided by 128.8, equaling 776 milliamps. The next step will be reversing the process to calculate the current in each branch, which then allows us to calculate the current in each resistor. Stay tuned, as I will be covering this in my next video. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. These topics are small excerpts from my courses located in my stand store, which you can access by going to this web address. Before exiting this video, I want to make you aware of some huge sales that are coming up for members of 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 is a company that specializes in portable power stations, solar generators, and battery storage systems. It offers eco-friendly and reliable power solutions for outdoor activities, emergencies, and off-grid living. Their products include high-capacity lithium batteries with multiple outlets such as USB, AC, and DC, and compatibility with solar panels, making them ideal for providing power in remote locations during power outages. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 is popular among campers, RV owners, and those seeking sustainable energy solutions. Their power stations come in various sizes and capacities, catering to different energy needs. To find out more and take advantage of this sale, simply click on this web address.